Capacity tons, 1.5 star rating, 5-star condenser material, aluminium auto sleep. Yes timer main unit, manual and warranty card. Yes auto restart. Yes SUPC, STL1837053951 1.5. Functions: super, turbo mode, on, off timer, eco mode, LED display on, off, anti-mildew, low voltage startup, airflow direction, refrigerant type, compressor type rotary. In the box. Package contents: main unit, manual and warranty card. General. Capacity tons 1.5. Functions: super, turbo mode, on, off timer, eco mode, LED display on, off, anti-mildew, low voltage startup, airflow direction, refrigerant type, compressor type rotary 5.0 star. Energy efficiency ratio. Power requirements 220-240 volts, 50 Hz. Cooling operating current 6.4 amps. Power consumption 1440 watts. Energy save. Performance features. Air circulation. Moisture removal. Indoor sound level 44 dB. Outdoor sound level 49 dB. Special modes: fuel mode, cool mode, dry mode, sleep mode, fan mode, super turbo mode. Capacity 1.5 ton. 5-star rating. Power 1513 W. Warranty: 1 year standard warranty plus additional 4 years warranty only on compressor.